Today on tutorial time, I'm going to be showing you how to make a QR code on Canva. Now, first thing you want to do is head down to the Canva website. The Canva website is spelled C-A-N-V-A. Now, when you put that up, head down, click on Canva. Now, it does not matter what template you use, whatever template you're using for your project or whatever you're doing, choose a certain template. For example, for me, I'm using a business card for today. Now, the first thing we want to do is go on the left corner of the screen, we'll go down to where it says QR code. If it doesn't say anything there for you, hit on more options, then go down, it says QR code, click on it. Now, type in whatever QR code, link you're wanting to, not QR code, sorry, whatever link you're wanting to use. Now, the URL is literally the website you're wanting to go to. For example, I'm going to my YouTube channel, so I'm putting in that one there, and it's like, I copy and paste it from up here. So just go up that, copy and paste the website you want to use, put it into the box here, and there you go, it's popped up there for me. Now I can add that to my business card, and there you go. Now I have a QR code that you can scan, what will take me directly to my YouTube channel. Hope this tutorial helps you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.